As Mahatma Gandhi said, as Mahatma Gandhi said, health is the real wealth, not the pieces of gold and silver. A very warm welcome to everyone present here. My name is Sumana Singh. I am from Civil Branch, 4th semester. Today I am standing here to express my views on Anti-Tobacco Day. Nature has given a very beautiful gift to man, that is by giving him human life. But some people don't appreciate this gift and waste it on harmful things like drugs. Every year on 31st May, World No Tobacco Day is celebrated to raise awareness about the harmful effect of tobacco and advocate for effective policies that reduce its consumption. Every year, a theme is decided on World No Tobacco Day. This year's theme is Protecting Children from Tobacco Industry Interference. This year's theme mainly focuses on how to prevent tobacco industries from targeting young people and promoting policies to shield them from manipulative practices. Before getting deep into it, let us first know how tobacco is harmful to our body. So, harmful in this way, let me explain it to you. Tobacco is made from leaves of a tree. After harvesting these leaves, they are cured, aged, and processed in various ways. They can be made in many forms. Either you can chew it, you can apply it to your gums, or you can smoke. Chewing or smoking, in any way, tobacco is harmful for your body, as these contain some harmful chemicals. Tobacco, how itself damages, depends on these chemicals. The most important chemical is nicotine, which is a very addictive chemical and which causes dopamine secretion in your brain. So when an individual first time tries tobacco, because of nicotine, dopamine secretes in their brain, which causes the reason for addiction. Dopamine is a very, you can call it as a happy hormone. Because it is a happy hormone, you feel like your learning is getting better, you are able to think better, your alertness is getting better, and you are more happy. Initially it happens, but after some time, your brain starts craving nicotine, which becomes the reason for addiction. They not only damages your lungs, apart from lungs, they damage your heart, eyes, kidney, stomach, and skin at several levels. It doesn't matter if you're a smoker, then only you will see its damage. If you are a passive smoker or anyhow you are in contact with a smoker, then also you can see its damage effect on your body. It's a very addictive thing, but if you want to quit it, there are various ways through which you can. First of all, you require strong willpower. There are many methods. They comprise pharmacological methods, non-pharmacological methods, nicotine replacement therapy, and counseling. So there are many ways. If you think you want to, then of course you can. With the end of my speech, I would like to say a few poetic lines, and which is in Hindi. Here I go. कहानी अलग है स्टार्टिंग की सबकी, गहरी दोस्ती से हुई की शुरुआत थी, नुक्कड़ की दुकान मानो यही बिल्कुल पास थी, किसी ने माना इसे चाय की चाहत तो किसी के लिए बन बैठा ये प्रेशर की राहत, सुट्टा ब्रेक लगने लगा बेहद ही प्यारा जब कलीग के साथ हंसी खुशी पहला कश था हमारा, कोई छूता सुबह उठते ही इसे बिफोर ब्रश है, छोड़े या पिए यही कश्मकश है और इसी कश्मकश में लगा रही है कश है। कोई तो है छुपकर लगाता कोई भरे बाजार में धुआं उड़ाता, कोई तो है छुपकर लगाता कोई भरे बाजार में धुआं उड़ाता, कोई दिन में एक दो तो कोई हर घंटे सिगरेट जलाता और अपने जीवन के खाते से बस कुछ साल घटाता, ओढ़े रहता एक अजीब सी गंध जो अपनों को ही अपनों से दूर भगाता। किसी ने तुम्हें अपनी कसम दिलाई होगी, किसी की कसम तुमने भी खाई होगी, फिर सब कुछ भूल तुमने फिर एक सिगरेट जलाई होगी, क्या अपनों की कीमत सिगरेट से भी लस है, छोड़े या पिए यही कश्मकश है और इसी कश्मकश में लगा रही है कश। थैंक यू।